Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, judges, and our friend, the opposition, and adjudicators, and anyone present here. We, government, stand in support of the world where emotion can be transferred. Before we start with our argument, let's define what our meaning by transfer emotion and the word itself. Emotional transfer, the meaning is where two people can send their emotion with consent and with each other knowing in a conscious mind. And we want to take a part where the word is possible by any mean, like technological mean or biological mean. If we want to talk about the technological mean, we can make a case where there's a machine that can put human inside, or like a necklace or something that can be transferred the human emotion to the others. And if we talk about biologically, we could take like a case like Mantis from the Guardian of the Galaxy, where she touched another being skin to transfer or felt their emotion. Okay. After we get the ground of it, so we don't get to any more wrong or any more spread it. Let's talk about the beneficial. Human can be more empathized. The humanity experience is more intense, and if we clearly want to get extreme, can be used as present and punishment. My first argument is that if we make this, we can make any conflict more fast, or the correct word is done for. Imagine where the politician, world government, and any more like the powerhouse of a country felt each other's shoes, and vice versa. If we want to clearly make that, any conflict will be done in a minute, as if we felt how the other feeling and what the other need. There is no need of any prosecution, of no need, like there is no need of war, no need of any more destruction to this beautiful world. My second argument is about burden and healing. It's a weird word, okay? I really noticed, but hear me out. A world where a depressed person can transfer their feeling. They can heal themselves slowly, as if we want to make it, the depressed person transfer their emotion to someone else. Let's take an example. Imagine a man with a depressed life. He already lost his wife, his kids, everything, and he wants to change. He transfers his emotion to the others with consent. Remember the word consent. After some time, it's slowly healing, leaving the scars away, and slowly make the man himself. Well, if we cut it again, we can make it for a punishment, like I said before, but we still focus in healing. In the world where people can transfer their emotion, they can be healed. Every depression, everything that bad can be gone. Remember, humanity is one day away from being an evil, and if we can prevent that, that's a good thing. Well, let's get to my third argument. The transfer can be used as a justice. I notice it a bit word. No. I mean, I'm sorry, my lips spilled. I know it's an unusual word, but hear me out. The world where justice can be felt, the justice can be known empathically to ourselves. and not how we see it, but we can see it from the other else. Imagine there is a criminal that abuse someone's wife. No, that's a word. A criminal that abuse their wife. Nah. We can make the punishment is the man can be felt how it feels to be abused. The emotion that what the wife have been feeling from it transferred to the man as a punishment. It's not about cruelty or not. It's about justice that can be empathized, that can be felt. You know, I'm kind of like a psychopath, but that's really efficient way to use the machine or biological advance. Not only it's going to make the world better, but can make the human better. As the world now, humanity is the biggest problem in this world. And with these tools or genetic modification, we could make that weirdness into something that we can conclude. In the end, everything going to be black and white, blue and red, or something else. But that's how human works. Okay, let's get to my third argument, the relationship. With this genetic modification or technological advance, we could make any relationship more stable. I know, if we wait, like, is it still a relationship if it get helped by genetic or technology? It is. Because we want to make this technology or biological advance not a pure separate. This is still human. We make this tool as a human advantage to make the human more human. And by the relationship, I mean like the child to its parents, the wife and the husband, they can feel each other feeling, trying to understand each other. It's more easy. Not just by only that, the minor one like can be also fixed by this technology and biological mean. It's kind of weird how we human trying to always empathize our emotion, but that's us. We will need this tool of advance. And there I stand my ground high about this house, that where the word can be where the word of human can be transferred their emotion. That's clearly all I say. As I explain how it works, how it should be works, example, and what is the case. And that's all, everyone. Danke.